Alan Turing was at the University of Manchester when he famously addressed the question of whether machines can think. Thomas Kilburn led the development of the world's first stored program computer in Manchester. The Turing and Kilburn buildings now house our mathematics and computer science departments, where many of the faculty today work on modern developments in machine learning and computational statistics. Manchester is home to the UK's largest single-site university, and our Institute for Data Science and AI is home to an active community of over 900 researchers. We are a partner of the Alan Turing Institute, with 33 Turing Fellows working across many of our schools. Our ELLIS unit will complement these activities by strengthening our fundamental AI core and linking into translational applications, particularly through our newly established Pankhurst Institute for Health Technology Research and Innovation. Our ELLIS unit members bridge the gap from fundamentals to translation, and we hope that our strong applications focus will uncover new fundamental challenges as machine learning becomes an increasingly pervasive technology.
Hello, my main research contributions are in natural language processing and biomedical text mining. I'm also leading the National Center for Text Mining. Fundamental research in natural language processing guides the development of tools, systems, resources, and infrastructure for interdisciplinary applications in computational biology, evidence-based medicine, public health, and biodiversity.
Hello, my name is Niels Peek, and I'm Director of the Christopher Pankhurst Institute for Health Technology Research and Innovation at the University of Manchester. We work on the needs-led development of new health technologies and their translation to clinical practice so that patients and clinicians can benefit from those new technologies. Machine learning and AI are amongst the most important technologies that we look at. So I'm delighted that the University of Manchester has joined the ELLIS network, and I look forward to working with all of you.